Yeah. Hey, we ready?
No, wait.
Did he just ask that? All right, guys. All right, here. I want to head right.
Oh, shoot! There you go.
Go, go, go.
Holy balls.
I'm gonna drop this shotgun before the day is over.
Yeah, I know.
We got Nate behind us. He's gonna move. He's behind us. He's moving. Up.
We got a guy over here on the left.
Let me see.
He's the next barrier.
I'll move back over here.
Hit! Hit! We respawn.
Oh, go back there. How far is he? Hey.
Hey, Jake, you hear me? Hey, watch the sniper.
Did you get hit again?
Yeah.
That go. I can't get anywhere.
We got one guy right here. Like, he's on this barrier, like from here to that barrier over here.
Oh, really? You want to hit him at the same time?
Got him. Got another one. I think. No, I didn't.
Hey, I think we're good over here. You want to move up?
Look, we
Hi. Hey, I got him. I got him suppressed over here. Help me.
hit.
How far out are they?
John.
Hey! Jake, is that you? John, when you respawn, get some help over here.
Safety kill.
Oh, yeah, guys.
We got 13. Ready.
There's more cover on the left side. No, come with me.
Hey, you guys want to respawn or?
Preferably.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get 3 walkbacks. 3 walkbacks? Yeah.
Walkbacks? 3 walkbacks. We'll get left. 3 respawns via walk-in.
No, it's if you know if you get out, walk back, you tag this base, right?
Yeah, I know. That's why I said walk-in instead of tagging.
2 people for defending base, maybe?
I'm extremely.
We can cover it from the left side. That pretty much gives us the view. We won't be able to hit the right though.
Hopefully we'll take them out before we even get
Come up here, okay?
I heard that. Can we do this game real quick?
Roger that.
Hey, let us finish this game real fast and then we'll be on it. It's going to take like 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Okay,
Noah, you ready to clear?
let's go.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? I lost the
Y'all going left? Are y'all
Son of a...
Go, go, go! All right, defend here.
Noah, where you at? Let's go, Chuck.
They're all defending. Damn. I'm having feeding issues. Let me try this real fast. I gotta make sure it's shooting.
I'm gonna go to that cover right there, okay?
We've secured left side. They all seem to be in the spawn though. Oh, gunshot, holy crap. What? I can't hear you. Oh, it's raining. I had to switch mags. What? They got it from the far side. Move up. Noah, suppress them.
Hold on. Change the mag.
I'm about to move up. Cover me. Are they calling game? Are they all dead? No, take advantage. Move up to that hill.
We got the flag.
Cover them. If anybody's alive, cover them. There's a guy in the building.